Good afternoon, students. I'm again here to represent a new video on the same topic, that is operations on fractional numbers. So how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So now we are going through our topic. We are not wasting any single minute of time, okay? Because time is very important in our life. So I'm daily posting videos for you all only, for my lovely students only, so that they can do the revision on time and they can get good marks, okay? So continue to do your study from my videos and share my videos among your friends also. They can also take the benefit of these videos. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start operations on fractional numbers. Okay, so as you are able to understand, we are using some operations on fractional numbers. Already we have done addition of fractional numbers, subtraction of fractional numbers, and multiplication of fractional numbers. So today we will discuss the division of a fractional numbers. What are the rules, what are the properties we have to follow in the division of fractional numbers? Okay, so let's start. Very first rule says that division of a fractional number, very first rule says that division of a fractional number by a whole number. When you are doing division of a fraction number by a whole number, okay, so what is the rule? Rule says that fraction is divided by, this symbol is used for the division symbol, okay, whole number. Then fraction multiply reciprocal of the whole number. Listen, student, I told you what is the meaning of reciprocal. I already told you the meaning of reciprocal in my last video. Hope you are aware about that. Reciprocal is the opposite of any number. And this is the reciprocal of whole number. So if I am writing whole number 2, then reciprocal become 1 upon 2. Okay. And if I am doing the reciprocal of this 1 upon 2, then it become 2 upon 1. That again you can write 2. So in the reciprocal, you are just changing the numerator with the denominator and denominator with the numerator, interchanging the values. Okay. So let us move towards our topic. Topic says that division of a fraction by a whole number. So when this type of question given, division of a fractional number by a whole number, then how you will solve it? To solve it, you have to just do the reciprocal of whole number. Here is the whole number 3. So you have to perform the reciprocal of a whole number and change this division sign with the multiplication sign and then apply. Same as you have done in multiplication. Okay, so let us consider this example and take another example also. Now I'm taking 1 upon 2 divide by 3. Okay, so what will you do? 1 upon 2 multiply by reciprocal of 3 is become 1 upon 3. What it become? 1 upon 3. In whole numbers, you are just writing as a unit fraction, like 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5. Okay, so 1 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 3, what it become? It become 1 upon 6. Okay, you got my point? Now I'm taking another example. So another example is like 1 upon 3 divide by 3. Then what will you do? You can pause the video and try to solve yourself. Till then I'm telling you the solution. So 1 upon 3, you change this division sign with multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of this whole number. So reciprocal of 3 become 1 upon 3. Now what it become? You do just multiplication of numerator with numerator and multiplication of denominator with denominator. Then what it become? It become 1 upon 3 3s are 9. Okay, now move to the next property. Next property says that division of a fractional number by a fractional number. What will you perform when you got the division of two fractional numbers? How will you solve that? So fractional number divide by another fractional number. Then what will you do? Fractional number write as it is. Then change the division sign with the multiplication and reciprocal of the another fractional number. I'm taking this example that is given in this picture. 2 upon 3 is a fractional number. Divide by another fractional number. Then what will you do? You just write the first fractional number as it is. Change this division sign with multiplication and do the reciprocal of this 3 upon 7. If you are converting numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator, then what it become? It becomes 7 upon 3. Okay, okay, don't be puzzled. This is for blank. This symbol is for blank. Okay, I hope I think so you are thinking this is minus sign. No, this is for blank. Okay, so I'm writing here only so that you will not be puzzled. What we will write? We will write 7 upon 3. It become the opposite or reciprocal of this or multiplicative inverse of this. Okay, now apply the simple rule of multiplication that says that numerator with the numerator multiplication, denominator with denominator multiplication. So 7 2s are 14 and 3 3s are 9. Hope you better understand. Now one rule also is there. Every time you have to follow when you got any improper fraction. So this is improper fraction in which a numerator is greater than the denominator. What will you do? You just write into mixed fraction, or either you can left it also as it is, but that is better. You have to write in mixed. when you divide 14 by 9, 9 ones are 9, then you got 5 here as the remainder. Then how will you write? You will write 1 of 5 upon 9. You can check. It is again 14 upon 5 or not. 9 ones are 9. Here you are going to multiply and here you are adding the values. 9 ones are 9 and 5 14. So again it becomes 14 upon 9. So final answer what you can write? You can write 1 of 5 upon a 9. This is the final answer. Okay. Hope you understand how you are finding when a fraction dividing by a fractional number. Okay. This is very simple. Don't be confused. Just you have to do the reciprocal of the right hand side. Those numbers like any number, whole number, fractional number, those are given in right hand side. You are going to the right of the reciprocal of that particular number and changing the division sign with the multiplication sign. Only two things will repeat in each and every rule and property, okay, of division. Okay. Now I'm taking another example related to this fractional number divided by fractional number. You can also try this particular example while you are dividing a fractional number by a fractional number. Then how will you are going to solve? So I'm writing 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 5. But it is division symbol. Just I'm facing problem on writing on the screen with my finger. So you can understand I'm speaking division. Okay. So what will you do? This is a fractional number divided by a fractional number. According to the rule, you just write first fractional number as it is and change this division sign with the multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of the another one, that is 2 upon 5. So what is the reciprocal of 2 upon 5? It becomes 5 upon 2. Okay. So now according to the multiplication properties, you multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator and write this side 5 ones are 5 and 3 twos are 6. So you got this as the answer. Now move to the next property without wasting the time. So next property says that division of a whole number by a fractional number. What will you perform when division of a whole number, okay, by a fractional number? Then what will you do? I'm taking this same example. You are writing whole number as it is, changing the division sign with the multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of the fractional number. Now whole number as it is, change this division sign with the multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of this 3 upon 4, 4 upon 3. What it become? 4 upon 3. Then simply do the multiplication of numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So what it become? 5 4s are 20 upon 3. Okay. So 20 upon 3 again you have to, it is the improper fraction. So again you will write it in a mixed fraction. How will you write? You just simply divide 20 by 3. In the short form 20 by 3 I am dividing this side. So 3 8 ja, not 3 8 ja, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18. Okay. Then you go 2. So how will you write? 6 of 2 upon 3. 6 of 2 upon 3. For the answer confirmation you can check also. How you can check? You just multiply both terms and then add this in the resulting value. So 6 3s are 18 and it become plus 2 20. Again 20 upon 3. So our answer is right. Hope you understand this property. Okay. Now I'm taking another example also so that you can better understand. I'm taking 4 divided by 1 upon 3. So what will you do? You will write this whole number as it is. I told you now you are going to change in the right hand side number and you will change the division with multiplication and you will do the reciprocal of this 1 upon 3, that becomes 3 upon 1. So you know in maths any number upon 1 not an big issue. You just write simply 4 multiplied by 3 and become 12. So that is very simple question. Hope you understand these properties. Now move to the next. Next, whenever these are just simple fractional numbers. So what will you do when there is a mixed fraction given and these all three properties are given? Like I'm taking example 1 of 1 upon 2 divided by a whole number, that is 3. What will you do in this case? And I'm taking an example of a fractional divided by a fractional number. So in that case 1 of 1 upon 2 divided by 2 of 1 upon 3. Then what will you do in this case? And third case, when a whole number is divided by a fractional number. So there is a whole number 16 and you are dividing this whole number by 3 of 1 upon 3. Then what will you do in this case? So these are three cases. When each and every case there is a mixed fraction given. जब एक fractional number divide हो रहा है किसी whole number से, when a fractional number is dividing by a fractional number and when a whole number dividing by a fractional mixed fraction. Okay, so in all these mixed fraction, first you will solve the mixed fraction. First you will solve the mixed fraction and then apply the particular condition. That's very simple. Okay, so I'm solving it. Just wait. What it become? It become 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. So it become 3 upon 2 and then divide by 3. Okay, then you apply the rule yourself. That is exercise for you. Okay, and this become 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 divide by, 3 upon 2 divide by, बच्चे divide symbol you write properly. 3 2 is 6 and 1 7 upon 3. It becomes 7 upon 3. And in this number 3 3 is 9 and 1 10 upon 3. So this becomes 16 divide by 10 upon 3. Okay, so you try to solve yourself all these questions. You can note down in your notebook by pause the video. Now move to the next. These are the properties of a division. These are the properties of division. Which property? Like first property says that when a fractional number is divided by 1. Okay, आप जब कभी किसी पर्टिकुलर फ्रैक्शनल नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करोगे, इन दैट केस व्हाट वी विल गो, लाइक आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल सो दैट यू कैन बेटर अंडरस्टैंड. This is a fractional number 2 upon 3 and we are dividing it by 1. So what will you got? You will got the fraction itself. The same number you will got again. Why? When you are doing the reciprocal of this 1, it is again become 1 upon 1. So I am writing 2 of 3, changing the division sign with multiplication sign and writing the reciprocal of this right hand side. What it become? It become 1 upon 1. And you know we can write is again 1. Okay, so 2 of 3 multiply by 1, what it become? Again 2 upon 3. The same fraction we got. Okay, hope this property is clear to you all. Now move to the next property. Next property says that when 0 is divided by a fraction, the quotient is 0. When 0 is divided by 0 fraction, the quotient is 0. What you got? When you are dividing particular fractional number by 0, then what you got? Like 0 divided by a fractional number. What you got? You are just writing 0 as it is and doing the reciprocal of this particular, changing the division sign with multiplication, and the reciprocal of 7 upon 9 become 9 upon 7. Then what you got? You got again 0. So when 0 is divided by a fractional number, the quotient is always 0. Understand? But there is another case also. When the 0 becomes this right hand side, what will you do? That's an important question. Every time comes in the exam, this type of questions. So just watch how I'm solving them. I'm taking the same example. 7 upon 9 divide by 0. Then what will you do? Just wait. 0. Okay. So you just write the left side number as it is. 7 upon 9 rule says that, no, first number you will write as it is. Then doing this, changing this division sign with multiplication sign and doing the reciprocal of this right hand side number. So 0 reciprocal, what it become? Every whole number like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when you are doing the reciprocal, what they become? They become 1 upon 0, 1 upon 1, 1 upon 2. Okay, like this. Continue. So 1 upon 0. I already told you in the previous video, the case of 1 upon 0 cannot be found in mathematics. It's 10 to infinity. Okay. So in this case you can write the answer cannot be found. Okay, not write 0. ऐसा नहीं लिखना है आपने. Just write cannot be found. Okay, hope you understand. Now move to the next property. Next property says that when any fraction is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. When you are dividing any fraction number by itself, then you got the quotient 1. Yeah, simple. I'm taking an example like 19 upon 21. You are dividing by again 19 upon 21. The same number you are dividing by itself, na? Then what you got? 19 upon 21 write as it is. This portion you will write as it is. Change this division sign with multiplication sign. And this 19 upon 21 you will do the reciprocal. Then what it become? 21 upon 19. And you know when you are multiplying these, when any number is you can able to cut them, you have to cut like 21 with 21. 19 ones are 91, 19 ones are 91. Then what you got? You got just 1. Okay, hope you understand this case also. It's very simple. Now, okay, so now in the end of the video we are going to discuss some questions so that you can better understand by practicing these questions. So very first question says that when you are dividing a fractional number by a whole number, that is the case of these, all these. Okay, when a fractional number is divided by a whole number. So in that case I am going to solve you only one question. Okay, so very first question I am telling you, very first question says that 3 upon 5 divided by 5. Then what will you do? 3 upon 5 divided by 5. You write first number 3 upon 5 as it is. Change this division symbol as multiplication symbol. And 5, the reciprocal of 5 become 1 upon 5. Then what will you do? You just multiply the numerator and with the numerator and denominator with denominator. That become 3 upon 5 5s are 25. That is the answer you got. Okay. Now come to the second question. That is simplification. So in this, simplify, not simplification. So in simplify, just wait. If you are going to watch these questions, in these questions, this is the case of when a fractional number divide by a fractional number. When any particular fractional number divide by fractional number, then what will you do? You just practice all the questions given here. According to that rule, I'm solving very first question so that you can better understand. Okay, very first question says that 4 upon 3 divide by 7 upon 5. So in this question, what will you do? You just write 4 upon 3 as it is, change this division symbol with multiplication and do the reciprocal of 7 upon 5, that become 5 upon 7. So here 4 multiply by 5 become 20 and 3 multiply by 7 become, sorry, it is 20 not 26. Okay, so it become 21. Okay, so that is your final answer. Come to the next slide. In the question number 3, this is a case of whole number divide by a fractional number. Then what will you do? The rule says that write the whole number as it is, change the division sign with multiplication and do the reciprocal of other term. So that is 1 upon 3. What become the reciprocal of 1 upon 3? Become 3 upon 1. So 3 upon 1 case is just simple, write 18 multiply by 3. So 18 3s are you how to write here. What it become? It become 54. 18 3s are 54. So that is your final answer. Now move to the next question. All are same, bache, you can solve yourself. In the next question, there are some properties, those we have solved. Like this is the case of when you are dividing any number by 1, then you got the number itself. Okay, this is the answer of this question. When you are dividing 0 by any number, then you got a 0 as the answer. The same number you are dividing by the itself, then you got 1 as the answer. And this is the case of a number divide by 0. Both these questions are the case of a number when divide by 0. So you got cannot be found because it become 1 upon 0. That is the case of infinity. Okay, I told you in many videos the same case. So you have to just focus. 0 is written which side, left hand side or right hand side. Okay, because you are doing the reciprocal of right hand side. So when you are doing the reciprocal of 0, it become 1 upon 0. Okay, keep in mind like this. Now next question says that when you are dividing by 1, this is same as question first. This is the case same as question number C. Okay, and this is another case. But when you are solving this mixed fraction, it become same as this number. So first solve the mixed fraction. Yeah, I'm solving this question, just wait. So in this question that is given 17 of 1 upon 4. What it becomes? 17 4s are 68 plus 1, 69 upon 4. It becomes same again. So you are dividing the same number with the same number. Okay, number itself. Then it give you 1 as the answer. Okay. So in this question, just try to find yourself. All these questions are so simple. Hope after watching the video, you are able to find them properly. If not able to find any question, just write me in the comment box. And one thing, if you are not able to write the particular question, or I know it's very difficult to type the fractional number by using the keyboard of your phone or something. So don't worry, just write me the question number of the particular and the part of that. I will solve that in the next video definitely. Okay. And that's all from my side. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then definitely share among your friends and subscribe my channel. Bye bye students. Take care.